viewers, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to start the first challenge of our channel, and the challenge will be about the TikTok login page. We are going to build the TikTok login page. We are going to reproduce exactly what you are seeing on the screen. I have only 25 minutes to complete that challenge. So if you want to know if I'll be able to complete the challenge, follow the video to the end, subscribe to the channel, share, comment, so that you can see if I'll be able to complete it successfully. And there'll be a lot of challenge coming on the channel, so you just subscribe to the channel as I said, and you'll be receiving video like this. So see you later to judge the work. Okay guys, now we are at the end of our challenge. So I have finished, but I couldn't complete everything within the 25 minutes. So you can see at your left what I have built, and what at your right the exactly the login page from TikTok. So that is it. So you can see that it's almost the same thing, but there's a lot of few mistakes. Sorry. If you can see from the top, you can see that my feedback is bolder than the one from TikTok. Also, the login in TikTok too is the same. I think the login to TikTok, the title from TikTok page is bold than my own. And you can see also that I couldn't get all the icon, so I managed with the one I have. And the sizes, I can say that is quite the same, but I couldn't get enough time to change the title. As you can see here, it's supposed to be use QR code and continue with Facebook, continue with Google. I couldn't complete that time. And what else? You can see also that they don't have an account. I think it's quite the same, but there's supposed to be a space between don't have an account and the question mark. So there's no space there. I'm supposed to put some space between they don't have an account and they sign up. And also down we are having where our boss where the English is supposed to be flex start, but I couldn't apply to it because from the one from TikTok page there's a flex start from it. And also I think they have used a media query, is why you can see that the 2022 TikTok is closer to the boss, so my own is not closer to it. So I think that's all for the mistakes, and up to you to judge if I have. Okay, I have forgotten the scrolling down. You can see that the scroll down, the scroll bar from the one from TikTok start from the ending of the head to the starting of the footer. If you can see, when we're scrolling down, we stop here and stop at the top too, but my own goes straight to the top and also straight to the down. So that is it. I think that's all. So I think I was able to succeed at least 95%. So up to you to judge me inside the comment section. And if you like the video, subscribe, share, and comment. So thank you guys, and see you for another challenge.